Oh, come on. They only have 6 campers. Yeah, for real?
It's only 6 campers.
Close all the stall doors.
Guys, don't guard but hover everywhere.
We have to cover. They have to close the doors. No, that'd be guarding.
Y'all just line up. Run. Pineapple. This is sad. We've already lost. Unlock it.
Wait, don't unlock those 2. Okay, Sarah, keep these locked. Keep these locked. Wow. It's open. It's open.
Is there another volunteer?
Yeah, there's Sarah, and she's.
I gotta win.
Why is Sarah always last?
Have a seat. What happened? We're
We
playing
got
ball.
in.
Let's go.
Oh, you know.
Guys, come on. In and out? Yeah. Yeah, we're allowed to keep going.
I guess. Me and Blaze are all alone. Me and Blaze and Zona and Gimp. We're all alone. Because apparently Blaze can't go on the trail ride because, you know, Melissa didn't want her to go on the trail ride, so I couldn't come. And then it was either that or walk, and I just don't like walking on trail rides because it's really hot right now. But now I'm all alone because the other 2 volunteers walked, and I'm sad because I'm all alone. I don't know what to do, and I can't ride because I'm all alone. I'm bored, I'm so bored. Now I'm gonna have to wait like 30 minutes or an hour. I'm so bored. Hey. Hey, Blaze. Hey. I have a treat. You want a treat? Good girl. Blaze can do tricks. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you want another one? You want another treat? Okay. Good girl. Yes.